like, we know we lost it. We're aware. Well, we didn't really lose it. We just like, you know, set it down for like 4 months. We forgot about it. We're like, hi guys, welcome back. It is me, Drew, and today's video that I have for you, if you are a regular in the Just Like Drew crew, that means you're like subscribed to my YouTube channel and all that fun stuff. So really quick, if you're not already in the Just Like Drew crew and you want to be, click the red subscribe button down below and join our forever family, because we're literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. Okay, so here's the deal. I am here today with like a little bit of a rant, a little bit of unboxing. A lot is going to happen. So as you know, I moved back in August into the place in which I live now. Which I guess makes sense. I moved in, okay, whatever. So I moved back in August, and you guys may remember me telling you that I never received my Macy's beauty box subscription for the month of September. And basically what happened was I moved, I transferred my address, and when I went to change the information on Macy's website, they sent it out like within the same day, so it never actually arrived. So apparently what happened is that this package was already like sent out, and it got sent to my old address, and then it got forwarded to me. So then back in December, I received my box. So like this beauty subscription box is from like September, but it took them till December to get it to me, but it actually shipped out at the end of August. So literally it shipped out in August, and then we had September, October, November, and then December. It took 4 months for this package to arrive. Now this was, that's its own issue of like, I don't understand why something would take 4 months to transfer like 20, whatever. That's not my business. I don't work for the Postal Service. I apologize if you do, and this is coming off mean. I just really actually don't understand why it would take 4 months for a package to get transferred to this address. But here is the best part of the whole thing. So it took them 4 months to get it to me, and then I got a letter in the mail saying like, hey, we got your package down at the post office. Come get it. And I was like, oh my God, my package is here. I go to get it, and they're like, you owe us $2.87 before we give you your package. And I was like, come again, now what? So basically, apparently, because technically this whole is, I don't know, maybe the word like kerfuffle, I don't even know if that's a real word, but I'm saying it. Because of all this like confusion, I ended up having to pay $2.87 for a package that was lost for 4 months. And was like a subscription box I'd already paid for. So I like sat there and I argued, and I was like, do I have to pay this money? And they're like, yes. And I'm like, why? And they're like, well, because you got it transferred. And I was like, but first of all, it was a mistake. And I was like, also, you lost it for 4 months. I feel like I shouldn't have to pay. And they're like, we have to pay. And I was like, but I don't feel like I should have to. And like, but you have to. And I'm like, but why do I have to? Because you lost it. And they're like, we know we lost it. We're aware. Well, we didn't really lose it. We just like, you know, set it down for like 4 months. We forgot about it. We're like, oh my God, she came looking for it. And I want to also point out, I find it real convenient. I literally was in the post office like weeks before, and I was like, hey, what's happening to my packages? Why are they not arriving? Suddenly, my package comes back from the dead, and then I have to pay $2.87. You know what I mean? Like, it's just like, it doesn't make sense. The whole thing is just like, whatever. So I paid the $2.87. Now I'm going to try and show you this without showing my address. But as you can see, legitimately, $2.87. Had to pay it. That happened. I'm not happy about this. I'm a little upset. But I'm like, you know what? I was like, I'll get the package, and I'll be talking about this. I was like, I'm like talking to myself. I was like, I'm going to talk about this to the Just Like Drew crew and see what you guys think. It's not a big deal. I guess, I mean, it's like $3, but I already had paid like $15 for it, and then it didn't arrive. So I'll just say, first of all, just so you know, the address thing has been figured out. It's already been switched. So I've been receiving my Macy's beauty boxes already. And if you are regular on my channel, you know I've been opening the last like few months. I've received them. So it's not, this isn't actually a Macy's issue. This is actually more of an issue that happened with like the United States Postal Service. And it's fine. It's not a big deal. I paid for it. I just feel like it's kind of crazy, like that they lost my package for 4 months and then I owe them money because they couldn't find, you know what I'm saying? Like, if I would have gotten it within a couple days, I'd have been like, okay, you know what, I gotta pay this. But like, literally, like 4 months, it was lost, and I gotta pay them $3 for losing my stuff. Just a little frustrated with that. It's fine. It's whatever. It's happening. So, really quick, the Macy's beauty box, it is like a $15 monthly subscription from Macy's, and they send you beauty products for like skin, makeup, etc. to use every single month for $15. They usually send you like a little Macy's coupon for like $5 or $10 to use on Macy's beauty products. This one's probably expired. And one other thing I do want to mention, the other reason I had no issue paying for this was because Macy's actually, they had declared the package lost, and they actually like reimbursed me for the package. So I was like, oh, like they reimbursed me for it because like I notified them like after a month of not receiving it, and they were like, yeah, we show that it's lost in transit, and they reimbursed me for it. So this whole thing is just like a big mix up with like the United States Postal Service. So I do want to say that Macy's took care of me like right away, did good by me. It was not an issue. It's just like this whole shipping issue thing. So I have my man, Mr. John Wayne, here to help me open this package. I'm going to open it upside down because my address is all over the other side now that it's been like this whole fun little situation. And I'm going to open this up and see what was in the Macy's Beauty Box for September. The good news is you probably already all know what happened in there. I actually don't know. I made a point not to look because I was like so upset that I didn't receive it. All right, so this is the box. It actually has, it's really, or the bag, it's really cute. You get a bag every single month. It says travel. It's got Shanghai, Rome, Sydney, Milan on there. It's really, really cute actually. Also, it feels super full. And then this is the little booklet that they give you that explains to you about the products inside of the bag. And then it has like the little coupon in there for $5, which was valid until October 31st, 2017. So it is expired. It's definitely done. All right, so I'm gonna open up this really cute loot bag here. And I don't know why I've been doing the last couple videos sitting on my bed. I guess just because I'm testing it out to see if I like it or what about it. So I hopefully everything shows up on camera good from this angle. And it always comes in usually some fun pink tissue paper. Like I said, this feels extremely full. I'm really excited that I'm opening it right now. I'm happy that I actually received it. And a lot of people were like placing bets on like what actually happened in my bag. They're like, some amazing woman is out there enjoying it. And I'm like, she probably is. She's living a great life with this. All right, so every month they have a fragrance, and this one they have Ciao from Vince Camuto. I actually usually don't mind Vince Camuto scents. I will say though, I had tried one. I was about to purchase it. I tested in the store, and by the time I left the store, I smelled a little bit like more elderly than I wanted to, so I opted to not purchase that. All right, I'm gonna spray it into the air and let it get everywhere and smell it. Ooh, this smells really pretty. Oh my gosh, I like this. I wonder if this is actually the one though that I was gonna buy, and then I wore it, and then my body was like, you shall now smell 100 years old, and I was like, awesome, I love it. Okay. I do actually like this scent. If you know me, you know I have a fragrance issue. I'm not a fragrance person. I'm very selective with fragrances. So that's actually, I like it. Well, now I don't know if I like it. Now it's hitting me again. I don't know, whatever. Okay, we're just gonna move on. The next item I have, oh, Dermablend Loose Setting Powder. So I'm trying to show you the items. I'm like too far away from the camera. I actually got this in my Amazon Luxury Beauty Box I did an unboxing on last month. I actually started using this, I think, for the first time yesterday. I finally got to it, and it is a nice loose setting powder. This is a really, really nice deluxe size sample too. This is actually 0.18 ounces of powder. That's really, really nice. All right, next item I have is, ooh, foundation primer from Laura Mercier Radiance. This is really nice. Look at that size of foundation primer. That's a really, really good size. Laura Mercier is a phenomenal brand of makeup products. I'm going to put a little bit on the back of my hand and rub that in. What I like about this is it definitely has like that nice like radiant glow to it. Not really much of a scent to it. The other thing I like though is that it actually like feels like a little bit adhesive. I don't know how to explain it. Like it doesn't feel like sticky. It just definitely feels like it's going to like hold your foundation in place, if that makes sense. So that's actually really cool. All right, the next item I have, is Burt's Bees Hand Salve. Okay, so this is Burt's Bees Hand Salve. So this is going to be a hand cream to put on. And it also, it kind of looks like Vaseline there. Oh, it's got a really intense like mint smell. I don't know how I feel about this. Like, it's weird how it's like trying to rub in. I don't know. Like, it's like hard to get out of there. Like, it's kind of like a Carmex Vaseline thing. I don't know. Whatever. Okay, so we'll see. I'm interested to try it though, especially because my hands are constantly dry because I'm in Wisconsin in the winter. Next we have Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask. This is actually something that I have gotten like a long time ago in a box. This is actually, it's a pretty good mask. The only thing I will say is this stuff kind of can get really hot. Like it usually like gets really hot on your skin, and you always supposed to leave it on for like 2 minutes because it's like, it just like, woo, your skin. All right, and the final item that we got is Clinique Moisture Surge Extended Thirst Relief Gel Cream. So it looks like this is like a really good skincare cream from Clinique, which also I'm really excited to receive because seriously, like my skin is constantly dry right now. Like I cannot like come back from it. All right, it is a really good size sample. I really like that. All right, I'm gonna try a little bit again on my hand. I've been tying everything on my hand. This hand is gonna be so pretty and moisturized by the end of this video. All right, put that in. I got more out than I wanted to. It doesn't really have much of a scent to it, which is really nice. It has a little bit of like, I guess like a skincare scent, if that makes any sense. You know what I mean? Like we're like, sometimes just like, you're like, that's skincare. I don't know. You know what I mean? So I mean, usually you guys know what I mean. All right, so that's actually everything that's in this bag. This was actually a really awesome bag. I'm really glad that I got it. Like I'm like actually kind of mad now that I didn't have this sooner. I mean, I'm thankful I got it, that everything got figured out. But to recap this box, the Clinique Moisture Surge sample, which was 0.21 ounces, which is really good size. The Dermablend Loose Setting Powder, which like I said is actually really good and I got in a box last month. This is 0.18 ounces. The Burt's Bees Hand Salve, which is got a really intense smell to it. The Ahava Time to Clear Purifying Mud Mask, which is right there. The Laura Mercier Foundation Primer, which is right there. And the Ciao by Vincent Camuto. Now, like I said, I'm still not sure how I feel about this scent after it dries out. I will say I really like it. And it even holds more to the theory that I had originally had, because the last couple months, the Macy's bag has been a little, like, it's been good, but it's not, like, the first 2 months they came out hitting really, really hard, which is apparent with this here, because this is only, like, their second or third bag they came out with. And then it's, like, the last couple months it's been a little bit less intensity. And like I said, I feel like they came out really strong to get people to sign up and excited. And then they kind of, like, fell off a little bit. So I really hope, honestly, they get back on this level, because this is, like, phenom level of products they're giving out, and this is the kind of thing that like gets people excited about subscriptions. So this whole Rant video unbox-a-thon situation, it is not the official start of box week. I just wanted to come out and make a video. I miss you guys. Like I said, I was light the last couple weeks because like holidays and other personal things going on that I needed to deal with. But I was like, I need to make a video. So it's not the official start of box week. But if you have no idea what box week is and you actually stayed to the end of this video, like you don't even know who I am, you're still here. Box week is the best week every single month on my YouTube channel. It is the 1 week every month that we spend every single day together for 1 week straight. Me and my subscribers, the Just Like Drew crew, we hang out, we make friends, we come back and forth. It's a lot of fun. So if you are thinking about subscribing, do it. Check out box week. It's seriously like, it's the best. We just act a fool, we act up, we show out. It's a good time. So that is all I have for you guys today. But if you want to see more photos of me, you can check me on Instagram, Snapchat, and on Twitter at Just Like Drew, spelled the same way as down below. If you want to be a part of the Just Like Drew crew and you're not already, make sure you click the red subscribe button down below and join our forever family, because we're literally the best crew because anybody and everybody can be in our crew. I love you guys so stinking much. And if you like this video and you want to see more from me, you know what to do. Just Like Drew, have an amazing day, have an amazing week, have an amazing life, and I will see you guys so stinking soon. Love you. Bye! 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 I started under the name Drew. And when I was losing weight, I did it all under the name Drew. And I realized that there was something